So friends, has it ever happened to you that you have made idli and the sambar has got over and the chutneys also got over? Now what to do with the leftover idlis? So here this is idli with a twist. With the leftover idlis we'll make Chinese idli. So these are the ingredients. We have idli and we have the lasan and adrak cut nicely small, and we have the green chilies, soya sauce, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, ajinomoto and oil, and these are your finely cut onions. So these will be the ingredients today, and we'll be making idli with a twist with the leftover idlis. So I have taken oil in a pan and we'll be putting in our cut lasan adrak. In any Chinese dish, lasan adrak is the main ingredient because that gives the main taste. So we'll be doing it now. You can see now that the lasan adrak ho gaya hai. Now we will be putting in our onions and our green chilies. Then that will saute for a few minutes. Onions, please do not make them red. For a little while only you saute the onions. Yes, the ginger garlic is to be done nicely, but the onions now need to be cooked very well. And let this saute for a few minutes, then we start adding our Chinese sauces. So now we add our green chilies. The small 4 spoon will be good enough. According to the idlis that you have, you can start putting in your fill. This is your white vinegar. White vinegar put in a very little because that gives a little strong taste. Soya sauce is the maximum that needs to be put in, so that will be about 7 spoons. These have to be coated nicely. And then we have our red chili sauce. And your ajinomoto. So these are the ingredients of Chinese: soya sauce, red chili sauce, green chili sauce, ajinomoto. Now this is good to let our idlis go in. Now I have cut the idlis in these small pieces. The big idlis, the round idlis that we have, I've cut them into small pieces so that it can be eaten up nicely. So you can see now the Chinese sauces have nicely coated our idli. Believe me, this is going to be very tasty. I have done this earlier and my children love it because this is South Indian with a little fusion of Chinese, and Chinese children love. So this way, the nutritious steamed idli also, it can be eaten by them. So now we'll be putting in our last coriander. We're good to go. So the earlier day when you have made your idli and the leftover idlis are done, so you know now what to do. Chinese idli. Idli with a twist. Please do not forget to press the like button and also the bell icon so that you get notification of my next videos. Please do like and share and follow my Facebook and Instagram pages. The links have been given in the description. Thank you.